Hi, this is part two of me talking to myself. I don't know why. So, this is question number one. Mm, what am I proud of accomplishing in my life so far? I think, as of now, as a student, I think one of the things na I'm really proud of is my parents don't pay for my tuition fees. I know, although of course there's a hidden fees pa din naman sa mga state universities. Meron pa rin mga underlying fees. Pero, yun nga, I don't have to pay as big as those student na nag-aaral sa private school. I think it's one of my accomplishment to technically say na, can I say that I send myself to school? I don't know, but yeah, I'm really glad na I didn't, I passed here in my school right now, in my university, and I'm taking a really good program, and I feel like I'm doing most as a student and as a child. And I think along with that accomplishment of studying in university, there's this certain underlying accomplishments pa din about sa myself, self discoveries, um, self learnings, and one of the self learnings na natutunan ko din is I can be independent, and I've been proving that to myself ever since. I can handle a lot of stuff. So I think that's one of my greatest accomplishment as of now. Um, if I could change one thing about myself, what would it be? I think I wouldn't change anything about myself because I believe that I am a collection of my experience, and I think that most of the times I felt like I really wanted to have different experience from the things that I have experienced. But the thing is, I don't want to change anything at all. But if it's life or death situation and I was asked kung ano yung pwede kong baguhin for me to have a better life, I think one thing I would change about myself is my insecurities. Siguro yun yung pinakang isang bagay na I think if matanggal ko, I would reach my full potential, and siguro yun yung isang bagay. Pero don't get me wrong, my insecurities are not that bad naman. It's just that I feel like those insecurities of mine holds me back from living a really mm, bossful life, or like a life that is filled with opportunities and anything and many more. Ganun. What would I tell my younger self if I could go back in time? I think one thing I would tell to my younger self is live it through and live now. Because when I was younger, I used to think about my future all the time. Talagang iniisip na, ay, at the age of this, I will do that. At the age of this, and I will do that. And I forgot that I am living now. And palagi kong iniisip na, ay, kailangan ko nang gawin to kasi bukas ganito na. The thing is, you will never know your future, pero you can make your future. So, I wanted my younger self to know that as much as we wanted to be future oriented about our actions, about our motivations, I want you to live in the moment and not just uh, exist in that moment. I want you to live it through. I want you to have a genuine enjoyment sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. So I feel like we took things for granted before. Sobrang dami nating take for granted. When we were younger. Ngayon lang siya nagsisips through sa akin. Pero, na-realize ko din naman na yung mga bagay na na-take natin for granted, hindi naman siya as detrimental as it can be to us. Although, syempre, malungkot minsan kasi, yun nga, it could have been a core memory or happy memory for us. Pero, kilala mo naman yung sarili mo. So, yeah. This one is a very bizarre question. Palagi natatanong sa kung saan-saan. So, the question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years? As of now, I see myself, I don't know. 5 years from now, I am probably working in a corporate company, or I can be teaching though. I really wanted to teach. I want to teach students. Pero yun, siguro pasado na ako ng board and nagpa-practice na ako ng profession ko. And I'm planning to get abroad, ganito ganyan. Pero as of now siguro, I'm really working on myself. Really working. Kasi feel ko naman 5 years from now, my parents would be independent from us na already. Kasi lagi naman yung sinasabi yung after naman keme-keme, ganito ganyan, after ko na graduate, everything, iwan, parang there's this sense of, sa akin na my parents never look at me as a burden for them. But yeah, siguro 5 years from now, I really think that I'll still be figuring out things. Siguro, pero siguro at the same time, I'm continuously solving the puzzle na about myself and about my identity and everything. So I hope that 5 years from now, I get to have a really good life that is well lived and ideally by idealized by me.